especially when you live under covers and it's below 70.
Jimmy.
You know, not fair. He's got a lot of fur. He's got an advantage.
Take me home. Anybody who's taking me home is fine with me.
Yeah, this is Ruby. I don't think he seems to mind.
Look at Jamie. Jamie's hating like.
He's so amped up. Easy.
Take that jacket off, Marie. Marie.
I am. Give me a minute.
Well. I believe you guys are next.
She is. She'll be fine. She'll push it out.
Easy, easy. Sit.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
This is Xena.
Hey, this is Xena. Jamie is on deck, followed by Wink and Ein.
Mine's here.
Easy, easy, easy. Down. Jamie.
Go.
Okay, break.
Mayday. I don't like the rain.
You can run it. You can run if you want, Mom. I'm going to stay here where it's nice and dry.